Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving, November 24th. We are getting ready to start cooking. We are making sides, basically vegan smashed potatoes. We're making vegan gravy. I made some vegan patties and we are going to make a vegan pumpkin cake. I'm excited to get this going because I love sharing my vegan food, but I also love cooking for people. Going to pick a board game because that's the best part about the holidays. We love playing board games and we get really competitive. Halfway through I just give up, but that's the fun part. And I'm looking forward to playing with my nephew this year because he's 15 now and we've been playing board games since he was so little, and the way that he has grown we can see it each time we play, and that's the best part about the holidays.